Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT Lightning. Coming in this nice iconic silver coloring, this vehicle is powered by a dual e-motor with standard battery range, and taking a look at the back here, we do get tow hitch, rear park sensing, we do get a nice tailgate step with this vehicle as well, a nice bed camera, black platform running boards, side view camera, blind spot detection, you got lights on your mirrors. This is where you plug in your vehicle. It's pretty nice. And moving to the front, we got that nice customary lightning light bar that goes across the grille, recovery hooks, front view camera, and we do get a powered Frunk, which will go up on your key fob, or you can hit the button right there, which provides you tons of storage, hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. You got a bunch of outlets over here that you can just turn on, all that jazz, and you can lift this up for even more storage underneath, and you do get a mobile power cord. And to close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will close automatically. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, carpeted interior, got a tire pressure monitor and compressor, cup holders, 12 volt, 2 USB-Cs and 120, and of course you can lift up the seats if you need additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have mostly powered seats, with that being the only manual part, the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of more door space up front, parking brake, pedal adjusters, lights, and your frunk all on your front hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 97.3 kilometers. We have a leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we do have My View, Trip and Feel, Truck Info, Towing, Navigation, Phone, Audio, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select that is collapsible, cup holders with more storage, and more storage here with some outlets. We got a locking center console with lots of storage, little coin slot, Protrailer right there. You have heated front seats with dual climate, 12 volt and 120. You got storage above and below, storage right here. And looking at our main screen here, we do have our audio, which does have AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got our phone controls, navigation. Your fave apps will be right here. Power Onboard, messaging, email, all that fun. Charge settings, apps in general, such as your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, public charging, so you click there and it'll tell you your nearest charge points. Of course, I have to connect my Ford, and it'll see the nearest chargers, which is pretty handy. You got your settings and your features of the vehicle, such as your drive modes, which do include normal, sport, tow and haul, off-road, slippery, and you do have one pedal drive, towing, trip energy, and all that fun. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is WG03256, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.